Hello guys, welcome back. This design number 2 of my nail design series, and today we're creating this viral cat eye gemstone nails. My nails haven't grown much, so I'm not doing an infill or a full manicure today. I just want to change the design. First, I'm removing the rhinestones from my previous design and smoothing out the surface. I'm using a sanding band, but you can also use a buffer or hand file, whatever is easier for you. I'm keeping the base I already have underneath because it is still in a good condition. Then I apply a thin layer of base coat, cure it, remove the sticky layer, and now we can get straight into design. I already did these 2 nails, and now I'm going to show you how easy this design actually is. There are 2 ways you can create this look. For the first one, start with white gel and map out your shape. They don't need to be perfect or exactly the same. Then fill each shape with your cat eye colors. You can use 2 colors, 3 colors, or as many as you want. I'm using different colors because I want every nail to look a little different. Use your magnet to create the cat eye effect you like and then cure it. You can also do it the opposite way. Create your cat eye shapes first and then add the white lines afterward. Both ways work, so just choose whichever one feels easier for you. Once you're happy with the design, finish with top coat, cure it, and here's the final result. I absolutely love how this turned out. Every nail looks like a different little gemstone. Now I need your help. What I should create for design number 3? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!